Hello everyone, welcome today. Yes, a new day in this daily newspaper of Tuesday 29th, June the 29th, 2021. Yes, one day to go, end of the month, and we have here only one regular Sudoku in this newspaper, and it's a medium Sudoku. There is also in this in this newspaper, in the daily newspaper, an additional with extra Sudokus. I believe there are 8 today. But first, we will solve this regular Sudoku, and this one will be a number 3018. Yes, and before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, alright? So, let's get started. Let me see. Let me scan. 3 sixes, 2 fours, 4 fives. Okay, 4 fives. 3 nines, 2 3 ones, 3 sevens, 3 twos. Alright, and 2 threes. Let me start with the 5. 3 eights. Okay. 4 fives. But I cannot continue with the 5. I see. That's difficult. 5, 5, 5. Let me see here. 5, 5, 5. Okay. 5, 5. 5, 5, 5. Okay, I cannot use the 5. Frustrating. 2 and a 9. Okay, in the last row we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. We have 3 nines. Okay, one of the missing numbers is a 9. We see here 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So the 9 could be here or there. Well, we see here another 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. So we have a 9 in this third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here. Oh, there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Then. 9. Okay, I can continue with the 9. Let me go back to the 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5, 5. 5, 5, 5. Okay. One. Okay. 6, 6, 6, 8. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in the first column. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in the first column. 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 3 and 8. 3 and 8 are missing. Alright. Alright, 1 1. 1 1. Then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here. Only. We see there's 7, no 7, there's 7. Should be there. 1 1 4 1 4. In this big square, the 1 4 and the 8 are missing. I cannot fill this yet. I need to wait. 7 7 7 7. Alright. 6 6 6 6 6. Mm-hmm. 9. I'm scanning. 3. Okay. Yeah. 5. Yeah. 9 4 5. Come on. It's taking too long. 7 in this first row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left. In the third row for the numbers 1 and 2. The 1 and 2 are missing. Yes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So 6, the 8, and the 3. Okay. 1 1 1 1 1 1 2 2. Yeah, 2 in this row, 2 in the last row, so in the row between. The only 2 places for the 2 should be here. Oh, there we see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 5. Yeah, 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5. Okay, 5. 2 2. Then. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 6 should be there. Oh, all right. 3, 4, and a 9 are missing in this big square. 3, 4, and a 9. 3, 4, and a 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9. Should be there. 3 and a 4 are left. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. So yeah. 3 and 4. Okay. So So in this big square, we have also 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column. So no 4 in that box. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 1188. Okay, so we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 4 in the third row, so a row between. The second row, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, or there. We see therefore no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. 3, 1 and 7. Okay. So we have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 7 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there's 7, no 7, there's 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there's 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the 7 should be there. Now we have a 7 here. So this box can be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7 and this box should be a 1. Now we have 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 2. Do we have all the 7s? And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 7. Let me continue with the 1. Can I 1? Let me see the 1, 1, 1, 1. No, I cannot continue with the 1. 2 numbers left in this third column for the numbers 3 and 8. 3 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and 8. So we have a 3 and an 8 in this column, first column, 3 and 8 in the third column. So in the column between, only 2 places for the 3 and 8 should be there. In those 2 boxes. So 1 box left in this big square for the number 2. 2, yes, 2. Alright, so we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. You see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Yeah. 3, 8, 4. So we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place for the 4 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 8. 1 and 8. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 box left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. Yes, 1 box left in this column for the number 8. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 boxes left in this row, 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have an 8 in this big square, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 3. 2 boxes left in this middle row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 and the 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 2 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 3 and 8. 3 and 8. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 8. Yeah. 3 and the 4 are missing in this row. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Now 1 box left in this big square for the number 4. And now we have an 8 there, so this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 3. Those 3 missing numbers. 1 is missing. 2, 3 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 1, 3, 6. Cannot fill this yet. need to wait. 136. Okay. How about the 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next. The only two places for the 4 should be here. Oh, there we see therefore no 4 there. 4 should be here. Those two numbers in this column, the 1 and the 3 are missing. 1 and 3. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 6. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. One number left in this first row for the number 2. And the final two numbers of this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. No, 1 and 9. 1 and 9. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Wow. For Sudoku Medium with 26 printed digits, because for 26 printed digits, if you compare it with the 1, 2, and the 3 and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 2 stars Sudoku. And for 2 stars Sudoku, you need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, I've solved this in 50 minutes, so I'm very pleased with this Sudoku with the time. Yes. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Yes. So I'm very pleased, and I like this one. Yes. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the medium Sudokus, playlists for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the letter Sudokus, for the heavy Sudokus, for the light Sudokus, for the quintuplet, for the tectonic, for the binaries, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe. You can find them all then. Okay, thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Tuesday, and we will meet again end of the day. I think in the evening I will do the rest of the puzzles in the additional. See you then, and bye bye for now.